So welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love drugstore makeup, affordable skincare, hair care, fashion. So anything of this sort interests you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to do the in-depth review. I have already done short videos, you can check them, but today I'm going to do in-depth review of the newly launched LA18 lipsticks. So I wanted to buy a lot more shades, but I love more neutrals, so I was waiting for the brown shade. It's a very beautiful brown shade. I don't have such shade. And another mauvey sort of shade, I was really eyeing on them, but this launch, ever since this lipstick is launched, it is getting constantly out of stock. I was not able to buy more shades. And yeah, so I am going to do the in-depth review of LA18 liquid lipstick. So this is the newly launched, and I will definitely buy more shades and maybe do a swatches of all the shades again, because these are, yeah. So if you want to know my in-depth review about LA18 lipstick, keep on watching. Okay, so first is this component. So this is the long sleek sort of packaging. Yeah, it's and the shade is like on the bullet itself, so you can easily identify. You can see I can easily identify the shade, and I just have two shades because all the pretty shades are out of stock, of course. And yeah, let's just get started. So it has a standard doe foot applicator. I will show you. See, so standard doe foot applicator. And first I'm going to do the hand swatch, then the lip swatch, and at the end. And this is first I'm swatching shade Tawny Wood. So it's a very pretty brown, which has orangey undertones. So you can see it's a brown with very pretty orangey undertone, and it is a really pretty nude lipstick. And I think this will look good across the skin tone, but especially on medium to fair in skin tone, this will look good. And now so this is the shade Tawny Wood, and let me just let it dry, and then I will show you, because thoda sa na inme depth aata hai. Once they dry down, they have a little bit of more depth. And the formula is liquidy and not thick at all, very thin liquid lipstick. And this is flattering nude, as you can see, and this is the flattering nude. We will let them dry, and after that I will also show you the hand swatch. And this is Tawny Wood, the brown one, and flattering nude, a peachy pinky nude. So as I told earlier, I was not able to buy a lot of shade because every shade was getting out of stock. And so let's just quickly talk about these lipstick. And the formula of these one is like thin liquid lipstick, and the packaging is really similar to the Lakme Forever matte lipstick. I don't have any of those. And yeah, so I cannot do the comparison. And yeah, about these lipstick, these retail for 120 rupees, just 120 rupees for 5.6 ml, which is, I think, quite a nice quantity for liquid lipstick. Because liquid lipstick, we all know, we don't use them regularly, but you can use them. Okay, these ones are good. So the formula is really thin, and they take like some time to dry, not that much. So they are semi dry right now, and you can see the depth increase a little bit, a touch bit depth increase once they are completely matte. I will show you. And now the formula is really thin, lightweight formula. So if you don't like those thick formulations that can be really chippa, these are not at all sticky. I will show you once I will swatch. You can press your lip once they are set. They are not like sticky, and these are proper matte formulations. So that's the heads up. You have to scrub your lips if you have dry patches, and then apply lip balm, and then apply these are not very drying. Okay, these are not like, these will not make your lips like Sahara Desert dry. They are not extremely dry, but they are not you know, they don't have any sheen, they don't have any creaminess to it. It's a like proper, now you can see they are proper dried down. So this is Tawny Wood and this is Flattering Nude. Both of them are really pretty, and both of them suits me perfectly. So if you are NC35, these two shades will look awesome on you. I have lost a lot of tan in this winter, yeah, so that's it. I have to check, like right now only one foundation is suiting me. So this is the Mars Warm Nude, only this is suiting me. So that's that. Yeah, I have lost my whole tan because of COVID and of course the winter. Okay, so now as I was talking about, these are really good for the price point, really must buy. You can buy one shade. Why you should buy one shade, I will tell you. There is a con. These has those fake strawberry kind of fragrance, which is a little annoying, but the fragrance was, these are dried down matte completely in a minute or so, the fragrance, but initially you can sniff it, the chemically fruity sort of fragrance. So that's the heads up. Otherwise, I think these are a must buy. Formula is really lightweight and these are smudge proof. You can see totally smudge proof and budge proof formula. So this will be good underneath mask as well, if you want a lipstick under the budget, and you can apply them over, you know, you can use your mask. Definitely these will not transfer on your mask, as you can see. And yeah, that's pretty much it about the formulation. And now I will move on to the lip swatches, and I think it's a must buy. If you ask my review, I think these are must buy. You can try one shade, you can sniff the fragrance, you can tolerate this. It will stay for 5 minutes, I think. Yeah, still I can sniff this fruity sort of fragrance, like fake fruits kind of fragrance. That's the only con with L18 lipstick. If they will, I will request them to remove this fragrance. Otherwise, these are a must buy. So yeah, let me just show you first. I think Tawny Wood. The lipstick I right now have is this. This is the NY Bay Lipaholic, Confession of a Lipaholic. It's a very pretty non-drying. So it's a very pretty non-drying liquid lipstick. But you can see liquid lipstick does settle in cracks, but that will happen with any, you know, liquid lipstick. But otherwise this is a very good formula as well. So I'm going to remove this. So usually I apply a lip liner with every nude lipstick, because lip liner really helps in, you know, so if you think nude lipstick wash you out, try lip liners, but this I'm going to show you without lip liner. So this is the shade Tawny Wood without any lip liner or any. So this is the shade Flattering Nude. With makeup this look good, otherwise this slightly washing me out. And yeah, nude are like too light of this collection. Yeah, so this is Flattering Nude. And it takes like half a minute or 1 minute to dry, and it's a very lightweight formula, like, and you can see no transfer and see no like no smudging of that sort. So it's a very good lipstick, but I think I will use a dark lip liner with both of them, because you know they are little too light. So that's that. So yeah, this lipstick is like really a must buy for 120 rupees. The shade, as you can see, a little too light, so I will, advise you, if you are buying, buy the latte shade. That was only, the flattering nude, I think, and these are too light, and this one was better, and this is flattering nude, is a little too light, and yeah, and it's, yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. I will buy the latte shade maybe, or that's it. The Lakme range, if I have to compare, have much prettier nudes, and I'm waiting for a sale, on buy one get one or something. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If I will buy the Lakme one, I will review like comparison sort of that. I will do that definitely. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.